Thanks everyone for watching this video. So my name is Dinesh Kumar. So I'm working as an IT analyst. So in this video we will discuss about all the roadmaps which we are going to be take for the Python learning program. So in this slide, so if I'm going to be show you the roadmap of this video. So in this programs we will discuss about the basically Python programming language, where we will learn about the A to Z programming from the beginner to the expert level. So I have around more than 10 years of experience in the IT industries, and right now I am working as a senior data engineer lead role in this one of the MNC. So in this roadmap, we will discuss about the what we are topics going to be covered in our program. So in the topics for 30 days, we will have fundamentals, where we will discuss about the fundamental about the Pythons, what is the fundamental, how to write the Python, what are the syntax in the Python sites, and then we will cover the Python operators, where how to use the operator, how to type of the operators, what are the different types, and then we will discuss about the uh, flow controls, input and output, like if and else conditions, switch case, input and print statements, and different type of logical sentence. And then we will discuss about the data types in the Python. So there are multiple data types in the Python, but in our sites we will discuss a major data top type which actually working used in the industry level. So basically strings, list, set, dictionary, and few more data type we will discuss in our programs. And then we will discuss about the modules and packages in the Pythons. So what is the use of the modules, what is the package, how to create custom modules, custom package, and what is the difference between both of them. And then we will discuss about the Python functions, what are the different type of functions are there in the Python, how to write the custom functions, various examples in the Python functions. Then we will have a exception handlings, where we will discuss about the how to write the how to handle the exceptions, how to create a custom exception handling part, right? What are the system generated exceptions? And then we will discuss about the OOPS concept, that is nothing but a object oriented programming language. So we will discuss a class, method, a different type of pillars in the OOPS concept in the details. And then we will discuss about the login part. So how we are going to save our all the details of the applications which we are going to be built, for the pipeline which we are going to be built, how to save the logs in our sites for the permanent purpose. And then in the last, not the last but the least, three more topics uh, that we will discuss about the regular expressions, how to manipulate the different type of strings with the help of regular expression RE modules. And then multi-threadings, which actually most popular in the industry, which we are going to be do the parallel processing. And then find handling, how to take the input, read the input from the files, how to write the files, different type of input and output operations. And then database programmings, what are the database programmings we will going to be cover, right? How to fetch the data, how to connect a database with the help of your Python. So these are the major topics which we are going to be cover in our roadmap. And then what are the bread practice we are going to be follow in our classes. So basically we are going to be have the hands-on hand holding experience in our sessions, and then we will have a friendly and interactive sessions, so that you can interact, you can ask your questions, your doubt, anything you have. And then will have extra classes also if you are need to help for the learning purpose. And then we will have interview preparations, we will guide you how what are the frequently asked questions during the interview to crack the interview in the Pythons. And then some of the daily base questions we are going to be provide you, some of the assignment we are going to provide you on the daily basis, doubt clearance we will discuss during the calls class, right? And then every class sessions we will have a practices, and then in the last, not the least, you will certify it after the completion of this program. So I hope you will join our classes. Thank you so much for watching this video.